The future of work is becoming one of the most important discussions of our time, as technology, global trends, and social expectations reshape the way people build their careers. Many traditional jobs are evolving, while new roles emerge in fields that did not exist a decade ago. This rapid change forces individuals, companies, and communities to reconsider what work truly means. In the past, most people followed predictable career paths that lasted many years. Today, the landscape is shifting toward flexibility, lifelong learning, and skills that match an increasingly digital world. One of the biggest forces shaping the future of work is automation. Machines and artificial intelligence are taking over repetitive tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity, problem-solving, and emotional intelligence. Some roles disappear, but others grow stronger as technology opens new possibilities. For example, data analysis, digital systems management, and human-centered design have become essential skills in modern workplaces. People who adapt to these changes gain a significant advantage. Remote work is another important development. Many individuals have learned that productive work can happen from almost anywhere. This shift gives workers more control over their time, reduces commuting stress, and allows companies to hire talent from around the world. However, it also requires self-discipline, strong communication skills, and the ability to balance personal and professional responsibilities. As remote work becomes more common, companies invest in tools and strategies that support collaboration and connection across distances. As technological and social changes accelerate, the future of work places increasing importance on skill development and adaptability. In the past, learning was often viewed as something completed during school years. Today, continuous learning has become essential for every stage of life. New tools, software, and systems appear regularly, and individuals must keep updating their abilities to stay competitive. This shift encourages a mindset of curiosity, resilience, and willingness to evolve. Soft skills are becoming just as important as technical skills. Employers look for individuals who can think creatively, solve complex problems, work well with others, and communicate clearly. These skills remain valuable no matter how much technology advances. In fact, the more automated the world becomes, the more essential human-related skills grow. The individuals who combine strong technical abilities with empathy and communication often become leaders in their industries. Another trend shaping the future of work is the growth of the gig economy. Many people now value independence and variety in their professional lives. They choose short-term projects, freelance work, or self-employment to build flexible careers. This approach allows individuals to explore different interests and create their own schedules. However, it also requires responsibility, planning, and financial awareness, because traditional benefits and long-term stability may be limited. The gig economy is attractive, but it demands discipline and strategic decision-making. Finally, the future of work invites individuals to rethink what a balanced, fulfilling life looks like. For many years, work dominated personal schedules, often causing stress and burnout. Today, people seek healthier routines that support well-being, mental clarity, and long-term productivity. Companies respond by offering flexible hours, mental health programs, and opportunities for personal development. These changes acknowledge that a motivated, rested workforce performs better and contributes more effectively. The physical design of workplaces is also evolving. Some organizations create hybrid environments that combine office cooperation with remote freedom. Others transform traditional office spaces into areas that encourage creativity, teamwork, and innovation. Instead of rows of desks, modern workplaces include collaborative hubs, quiet zones, and technology-enhanced meeting rooms. These environments support different working styles and promote a sense of connection. Leadership is changing as well. Effective leaders of the future focus on guidance, communication, and trust rather than control. They encourage experimentation and empower individuals to take ownership of their work. This shift creates workplaces where people feel valued and motivated to contribute their best ideas. Strong leadership becomes a key factor in attracting and retaining talented workers. Despite the many exciting developments, the future of work also presents challenges. Economic transitions, skill gaps, and rapid technological change require thoughtful planning and cooperation. Governments, businesses, and educational systems must work together to support individuals during these transitions. With the right structure, the future of work can provide new opportunities for growth, creativity, and economic stability.